everyone, and welcome back. This is Chef Alex. Today our recipe will be featuring fresh chicken breasts that we received in our grocery distribution this week, and I'm going to show you how to utilize other items in your pantry and in your refrigerator to flavor your food and also lower your sodium intake. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Alright, so now we're just going to split the chicken breast. This is our line of demarcation, so. And the technical term is butterflying if we leave it connected, but we're going to detach it completely. This helps the chicken breast cook faster and more evenly. See, now it's butterflied. At this point, what you could do is pound it out, bread it, dredge it. You can make like a chicken parmigiana or something like that, or a chicken breast steak. But we're just going to keep cutting. And then we're going to season it with just regular Kroger Dijon mustard and traditional Italian dressing. This brand is found at Smart and Final. So we're just going to do enough to coat, not too much because we don't want it too wet. If you want, you can add some more herbs, some fresh herbs, dried herbs, any spices that you want. And at that point, you just let it marinate at least for 10 to 15 minutes, ideally overnight. You would do that for a maximum flavor, but we're just going to do a quick marinade. You want to make sure that your hand is down flat as you're slicing. That helps to keep this part smooth as you're taking your knife through it, to make sure that the pieces are close to even. They're not going to be perfect because like this is huge. Look at that. Wow. Like 2 people can eat this easy. Alright, so now we're just going to drizzle some Dijon mustard and then shake up your dressing really well. Just enough to coat, not too much. And then we're going to add some garlic powder, just for additional flavor. Italian seasoning. And some salt-free seasoning. Rub it all over. And when you put just enough to coat, the meat really does absorb it the longer it sits. So. And now this is well coated. And we're just going to let this hang out for about 15 minutes. Our chicken, and I'm actually just going to spray it because I want it to brown on that side, and I'm going to lay it down. I'm just going to pick it up and lay it sprayed side down. I'm going to do the same for this one. A little seasoning it and yeah. You don't want to crowd the pan because then it's not going to brown on each side. And then we're going to transfer it to the pan once it's brown. Let's see. Oh, this is good color right here. I'm going to let it go a little bit longer. So good. This one might not be too brown because, yeah, we didn't get it hot enough first. Listen to that. What is it? Hold on. Oh yeah, it's done.